I think this has been a really good year. The students have been very committed, and what has particularly impressed me about this group of students is they begin to develop praxis, integration of theory and practice, and this comes out in their performance. So I found the work that they were developing very moving, very probing, very critical, and even the selection of their pieces I thought was very good. And I think this comes from an underlying engagement with learning and teaching for the whole 2 years they're with us. I think the good thing about our students is they are fearless, so they are very comfortable with classical texts, but at the same time they're equally comfortable developing their own text or actually performing the work of contemporary writers. So they're equally comfortable with Shakespeare or contemporary pieces like Girls Like That by Evan Placey. These are completely different works, but our students have the breadth of skill to straddle two completely different types of performance and are very confident and committed in both. Well, it's really sweet because yesterday I got a wonderful bouquet of roses and a very, very touching card which brought me to tears. It was about how the students engaged with the dissertation and how proud they were about the things that they were writing about. Because art doesn't exist on its own, it's about its relationship to society. And for all of them, they're beginning to find their place as artists in society. And that comes from their engagement with the theoretical premises of the work that they're doing. Huge futures ahead. I'm not sure if they'll all be rich, but that doesn't matter. I think they will all be gainfully employed, and I think they will always have respect for the work and the art that they make. I just like to say it's been an emotional journey for the staff as well, and it was very gratifying sitting there and watching the work of the students and how much they've grown, and also seeing their belief in themselves. And it's time to let go and let them journey.